Step-by-step guide, using the Loan Buddy and iKenekt as an Oceanview broker partner. 1. Activate your Loan Buddy portal. Sign up for the Loan Buddy. This opens your personal portal for managing all current and future deals. This is the same process borrowers use, so you'll be familiar with their experience. When taking applications, use your portal and enter the borrower's name with yourself listed as the referring broker. Log every borrower into your CRM. This ensures they're permanently connected to you for lifetime commissions and updates. 2. Complete full applications, not just quick quotes, to trigger pre-approvals and underwriting. 3. Get familiar with iKenekt. Sign up for iKenekt and explore its features. This AI-powered real estate platform puts mortgage brokers at the front of the transaction funnel. Borrowers can analyze properties, connect with agents, and begin the loan process with the Loan Buddy once ready. 4. Introduce the tech to all of your clients and prospects. By ensuring all your clients are signed up will dramatically improve their business efficiency, ability to find properties, and get funding faster than ever. 5. Next, invite every realtor in your area to join the database. For professional realtor users, it's just $10 per month for a powerful new marketing and lead gen tool. Agents need to be subscribed to be found by buyers searching for properties. For the early adopters, it's like the first page of Google. 6. Understand the bigger opportunity. iKenekt is evolving into a full real estate ecosystem. Property analysis, agent connection, and funding commercial loans now, with home loans, insurance, and title coming soon. With millions of users expected through our enterprise partners, Oceanview broker partners will be positioned to capture all commercial transactions flowing through the platform at a scale never seen before in the industry.